everybody, welcome back to Cat vs. Tabletop. This is episode, what, 5? Probably 5. Anyways, so last week we rolled up the start of Sebastian's character that we're going to make for him in 5th edition. He chose an Elf Barbarian, so that's going to go well. Anyway, so what I'm planning on doing is we're going to manually roll the stats and roll for the name out of Xanathar's because I'm indulgent and I have this. And all that jazz. So, without further ado, let's get this party started. Come on, Axel. Alright, so what I plan on doing is, we'll do the standard 46, drop the lowest. So we're gonna have Sebastian, hi. God, I wish I had, like, an actual table to film on. Then it'd be really Cat versus Tabletop. What are you doing? Anyways, so there's our 4 dice. We're gonna have Sebastian bat them around a bit. Get back here. You're off camera. Hey, Ashley, play with these. Or we could just pretend that he's rolling these. I don't fucking know. Yeah, fuck it. Hi. Alright, so his first roll is 3 3s and a 5. So that is math. Where's my phone? Alright, so that's 5 plus 6, that's 11. Alright, hey asshole. No? Okay. Where's the other one? Oh, it's right here. Yes? Would you like to participate? No? Okay, cool. So, this one's a little better. We've got 14. Stop trying to eat my arm. I'm not your enemy. Alright, so we got 4, 8, 11. It's not doing too badly. Hey! Don't do that. Did you seriously do this? No, Sebastian, please don't. I need this. We're still filming. Alright, excellent. Alright, so... Oh, hey, that's not bad. We got a 6, a 4, and a 5. So... that's 15. Come on, asshole. 2 more. What's this one? That's a 5. So... 12. No, I need that. 1 more. 2, 3, 4. Fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, actually. Nice job. I've never seen that before. Don't look at me like that. 2, 3, 4 is math. 5 plus 4, that's 9. Alright, so that's not terrible. So, as a barbarian, his main strength is going to need to be, fucking... Look, we'll just put the 9 in charisma, alright? Put the 15 in strength. The 14 in con. 12 in dexterity. And the 11's in intelligence and wisdom. Alright, so what bonuses do you get as an elf? Oh, wait, I forgot. What kind of elf do you want to be? You want to be a high elf? Or a wood elf or a drow? Let me grab a d4 and we can roll for it. Because I'm not one of those fancy people who has d3s. Hey, asshole. Pay attention. I've got to actually see the, I've got to actually be able to see the die. What did you roll? You rolled a 4, so we're going to go with the last one. So 3 and 4 are basically going to be the same. So you're a drow! jeez. A Drow Barbarian. Well, that's unique. I'll give him that. As an elf, he gets a +2 to Dex, so that brings his Dex up to 14. And as a Drow, he gets a +1 to Charisma, so that brings him up to 10. Sweet. Alright. Fuck. One of my favorite things about 5e is the lack of minuses, so that's nice. Where are you going? So anyway, so 15 Strength, which gives you a +2. 14 Dex, also a +2. 14 Con, also a +2. 11 Intelligence, +0. 11 Wisdom, +0. And 10 Charisma, also +0. Not bad for level 1. Whatever. Anyways, where were we? Alright, cool. So we've got your stats. Oh, hey, proficiency perception. That's nice. Are we still out of focus? So anyways, as a drow, you have proficiency perception, so that's nice. As a cat, you also have proficiency in perception, racially speaking. As yourself, you don't have proficiency in anything because you're stupid. Anyways, so we're back to just me because he's wandered off again. I'm starting to give up on the focus thing. Anyways, so there's all that. Fuck. Okay. Anyways, this is boring. He's never actually gonna play this. We don't need to really bother with these kind of numbers. So, oh hey, we focused. What we're gonna do is the really fun stuff, which is picking names and shit. All right. I fucking love his Anathars, honestly. Elf names. Here we are. Ugh, he's all the way over there now. Come on, asshole. We need to roll for names and also gender. D4. Odds are male, evens are female. 2. What did I say? Oh, female. Shit. Alright, cool. It's not like you know what gender is anyways. Well, he's sitting on the character sheet now, so there's that. He's also sitting on top of the... Here we are. I'm gonna need you to play with these for a bit. As good as roll as any. Number 75. What is female elf name 70? Where's my pencil? Where's my fucking pen? There. Nope, that's D4. And there he goes. Sebastian, what'd you do with my pencil? There it is. I found it. It was my fault. Anyways, what was it? 75? 75. Elf name. Sariel. Last name. Elf family name. Hey, asshole, get back here. I'm not even on screen for this bit. This is supposed to be you! Close enough. 68. Ophandrus. You're very annoying. Alright, Sariel Ophandrus. Now elf. Drow. We're 15 minutes in, and I've spent most of it wrangling this little shit. God. Anyways. What kind of background do you want, Sebastian? I mean, you guys aren't watching this for me. You're watching it for him, really, so we'll just keep the camera on him. Do you love this nauseating camera angle, or what? I'm doing my best, guys. Cool. Come here. He rolled a nat 20. It's 13. Urchin! Your background is fucking urchin! He's a female barbarian drow. Named Sariel Ophandrus, who used to be an urchin. I can't wait to find out what his alignment is. Alright, how many alignments are there anyways? 9? Alright, we'll roll a d10. Cheers. I think I broke him. He rolled a 10! You know, I forgot to number the alignments. Also, I'm pretty sure that alignment is chaotic evil, if I'm thinking of my chart right. So let's try this. 2, alignment number 2. If we're going across, that's lawful. Oh, nope, he's rolling it. He's rolling it himself. And by rolling it himself, I mean he's trying to eat it. Except then I think he lost it. 8. Okay, where's my alignment chart? Hang on. So the 8th alignment would be, if we're numbering them across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chaotic neutral! He's chaotic neutral. That's better than chaotic evil. Even I have limits to random rolls. Oh, right. Now we need to roll for traits. Cool. D8 for personality. 8. I bluntly say what other people are hinting at or hiding. Ideals. That's a D6. Three. He's laying across the page. Change. Chaotic. Bond. Go on. Do you not even notice that that's there? I don't think he's aware. Oh, yes he is. Stop that. 4. I owe a debt I can never repay to the person who took pity on me. Alright. Flaw. What did we roll for flaw? 3. I will never fully... Oh, no, hang on. We're still rolling. 1. If I'm outnumbered, I'll run away. Cool. So I guess that's his character. Sebastian is Sariel Ophandress, a barbarian drow, used to be an urchin. She bluntly says what other people are hinting at or hiding. She believes that change is the nature of things and cannot be stopped. She owes a debt she cannot repay to the person who took pity on her. And if she's outnumbered, she'll run away from the fight, which is just pure Sebastian right there. So yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching episode 5 of Cat vs. Tabletop. If you enjoyed this video, check out more content in the links in the description below for the Dungeon and Bad Decisions Discord server, and my blog where I post quotes, anecdotes, and photos from tabletop games I play in at the dungeonandbaddecisions.tumblr.com, and to support my Patreon. Special thanks to Crunchy Chompy for being a commoner patron, and to Polyjon and Tark for being average adventurers. Click here to check out the rest of the series, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Roll 20s, y'all!